one of the boys from Hanson, complaining that people don't sing it right and they don't sing it in the right syncopated rhythm.
Syncopated rhythm?
I know.
Come on, Taylor.
What wingers?
20 years ago.
What the fuck, dude?
Being displayed around the city. Yeah, look, that's sort of only Tokyo 20, and the ticket is Tokyo 2020. One of the first rulings.
The ALP, National Shelter, which is a non-government peak organisation that works with people in the area of affordable housing, has bluntly criticised the move, saying
against tax, then negative gearing goes down. And let's remember, there is something like $12 billion every year that is foregone by taxpayers to investors to support their purchase of...
Fuck are you doing?
I guess the idea is asking for national shelter. We're talking about Labour's change policy.
You fucking idiot.
They dumped their negative gearing policy that's in the letter to the last federal election. A number of economists.
Favorite shows.
Here's the theme song to The West Wing.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Fucking Jesus, idiot!
You fucking...
Má mà chị thuê kiểu gì đi chứ? Tôi né luôn. Mất hồn để kiếp.
Oh no, look at that. That's naughty.
Nice one, mate. What the fuck? Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh gee, no! He just decided to call it quits. Yeah, he was like, nah, this is, yeah. Look at him go.
Show me the way to go home. I'm tired and I wanna go to bed. Well, I had a little drink about an hour ago and it's gone right to my head. Wherever I may roam, Orlando, sea or foam, you can always hear me singing a song. Show me the way to go home.
To Russia,
maybe
Russia,
a few or so. We do need to decide a time. Maybe we could try and go a little bit earlier here and get the.
It'd have to be earlier. Yeah. That's why if I do live shows.
You've got to save money. I mean, your mom told you that. You've got to save money for a rainy day, for the down payment on your house, for college, for your retirement. The problem is you're not going to put that money in a savings account. Maybe when mom was saying save your money, that's what she was thinking. And maybe in those days when a savings account at 4 or 5% interest, maybe you could. Nowadays, you put money in a savings account, you're basically losing money. So that's not going to work. But what else?
Oh, what are you doing?
I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
This cockhead's still got his mirrors pulled out. You fucking idiot! Where'd you get your fucking license from? You fucking idiot!
People who own SUVs are buying this product.
People who own SUVs
You can't keep it on the shelves.
Buying this product. I'm going to say uncle. It's not fuzzy dice, obviously.
It's not fuzzy dice.
And it's not rhino protection. It's not, you know.
What the fuck? It's close, though. It's close to that.
No, okay.
It's spray-on mud. What the fuck? What are you doing?
What a bastard.
You fucking donkey!
Are you? What in the fuck are you doing?
Visit ebay.com.au to shop eBay's End of Financial Year sale today.
First Nations woman Jada Plater on what makes her proud of Victoria's Aboriginal.
Smooth weather.
showers developing, a possible storm, a top of 18 today, finding up at 18 for Cup Day tomorrow. Right now, it's 14 degrees on Smooth.
Good morning, hello, you're Ty Frost, and if you have yourself in the office.
Bring back large outdoor music and sporting events to the people of Wales. What you all want, can't you? Who's laughing now, eh? Who's laughing now?
You're coming on like you're my best friend. I know you'd like to think my life depends on you. Why don't you stop? Why don't you take a listen round? If your thoughts don't make a sound, why don't you change your way of thinking? If you're gonna make a run, boy, better make it fast. If you're gonna make a big noise, better make it last. You're running out of control. Police run out of control. Along the streets of your city.
A few moments later.
Asshole! You fucking asshole!
Mexican government and people are a bit offended, and that's an illegal use home.
Oh, look, it's become so much.
So you just go for a red light. You did.
Yep, he did. He most certainly did. Torrens Road, or whatever it is. Oh my God. Oh dear.
Whoa!
Oh my God.
What a fucking pillar.
One for Scotties.
Oh, yeah. It's just echoing because my door's open. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck, you dickheads? Fucking Christ.